Hello. In this video, you will learn more about the delegate role and how to register as a delegate in the Alabama Prescription Drug Monitoring Program. Physicians may have delegates run patient reports for them in the PDMP. A physician is considered a supervisor in the PDMP and is responsible for the actions taken by their delegates and for managing the delegate's PDMP access. Delegates should have their own PDMP account and not share an account with their supervisor. The delegate only has access to the PDMP to run patient reports for their supervisor. If you are asked to be the delegate by your supervisor, you will register by entering alabama.pmpaware.net in your web browser. When the home page has loaded, click on Create an Account, type in an email address that is unique to you. Remember, this account is yours and is separate from your supervisor. And if you have more than one supervisor, you will still only have one PDMP account. Next, you will type in a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters with one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one special character such as a punctuation mark. There's a maximum of 72 characters that a password can contain. Once you enter your password, then click the Continue button. If at any time during registration process you need to stop and complete the registration later, click on Log Out. But be aware that registrations not completed within 90 minutes will be deleted and you will need to start over. To continue the registration process, click Healthcare Professional and select Prescriber Delegate Licensed or Prescriber Delegate Unlicensed. If you are a nurse, you would select Prescriber Delegate Licensed. If you are an office manager or any other unlicensed position, you would select Prescriber Delegate Unlicensed. After making this selection, click Save and Continue. On the next page, you will fill out a form to provide the rest of your registration information. Each field with a red asterisk beside it is required information. Be sure to take your time to ensure that your information is accurate. For the Prescriber Delegate License role, you will enter your Alabama license number exactly as it is shown on your license issued by the appropriate licensing board, including any letters and preceding zeros. Your license type should be LPN, RN, APRN, etc. Enter your first, middle, and last names exactly as they appear on your license. This applies to prescriber delegates unlicensed as well. The information entered should match your Alabama driver's license. Enter your date of birth and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. For your primary contact phone, enter the number where the PDMP staff can reach you. And so you know, your phone number is not published outside of the PDMP or provided to any other entities. We have also included a space for your mobile phone number. This will enable you to change your password via text message if you would like. Enter the email address that is associated with your supervising physician's PDMP account and click Add. The supervisor's information will show below this box. You may have more than one supervisor, so remember to click Add for each entry. When you have finished entering this information, click the Submit Your Registration button. You will then see the Account Approval Required box. This is to remind you that your supervisor will have to approve your PDMP access in the supervisor's PDMP account before you will be able to run reports. A link to verify your email address will be sent to the email address you entered. Look for an email from No Reply PMPaware at globalnotifications.com. If you don't see it in your inbox, be sure to look for it in your spam or junk folder. When you receive the email, click on Verify Your Email. Make sure to save this email address to your safe email senders list, as this email address is where you will receive patient and system notifications. After you verify your email address, the PDMP staff will verify the information you provided in your registration. If there are errors, we will work with you to correct them. Once all information has been verified, your account will be approved by the PDMP staff. You will receive an email notification once your account has been approved. However, your supervisor will have to approve you as a delegate before you will have access to the PDMP. So once this is complete, you'll be ready to review your first patient report. Thank you for your time and attention.